We are pleased to show you the 2026 Forester. The Subaru Forester is a sensible, practical, and affordable vehicle. It has an impressive, comfortable ride and handles well. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rear spoiler, panoramic roof, all-wheel drive, heated mirrors, aluminum wheels, daytime running lights, tires, rear all-season, privacy glass, fog lamps, four-wheel disc brakes. Experience the perfect harmony of comfort, safety, and performance